Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to stop leaks on a garbage disposal. Now, the first thing you'll need is you'll need to have a screwdriver, and then also something like a pipe wrench or channel locks. And now, the next thing you want to do is you want to determine where your leak is. Now, typically, with a garbage disposal, it's either going to be leaking where the seal is to the sink, where the garbage disposal connects to the fitting that connects into your sink, or where your drain lines are. And you're going to have two types of drain lines that come into this. You've got one coming from your dishwasher that comes into this, and then you've also got your drain that comes out of the garbage disposal and goes into your drain lines. Now, if it happens to be a connection with it up into the sink, then the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that that there's not any movement to the garbage disposal. So if you move it and it's nice and tight, then that's probably not where your problem is. Then the next is you have a rotating clamp that actually clamps and locks this up into that. So you may want to just rotate that and make sure that's that snug up there. Now, if it's the dishwasher pipe, that actually attaches onto the garbage disposal with a metal clamp, and to tighten that up, we simply insert the screwdriver into it, and we rotate that clamp clockwise in order to tighten that hose up on there. And the drain pipe attaches with a clamp, and we would use the channel locks or a wrench to tighten these. So again, the three areas are where it attaches to the sink, the bracket attaches to the sink, where the garbage disposal attaches to the sink bracket, and then where your drain line and dishwasher lines come in. So once you tighten those, you should be able to eliminate any leaks on your garbage disposal. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to fix leaks on a garbage disposal.